True strength comes from within. True power comes from commitment. Commitment to be the best. We at Sintex are committed to delivering innovative water storage solutions. Whether it is harsh desert conditions, chilly mountain terrains, or any other weather condition, nothing can stop us from being true to our nature. Sintex TruPUF, India's first plastic water storage tank with polyurethane foam insulation. This will preserve water from extreme weather conditions. Its inner layer acts as a protective shield against harmful viruses, bacteria, fungus and algae. It has a unique self-locking lid that gets bolted for additional protection. Sintex TruPUF, India's first truly insulated tank.